What you guys, got another video here for you. This one is the Comica WM100 PLUS. This is a UHF wireless microphone meant for professional audio recording. Now you can see here it does have a working distance of up to 100 meters, dual mic trigger, and also real-time monitors. It's good for your camcorders and your DSLR cameras and your smartphones. Now we have all the specifications here. You can see the sound delay is up to 20 milliseconds. We got the signal noise is up to 65 decibels, and you've got a bunch of other settings on here which you can read about. Just pause the screen and read all the information here about the transmitter and the receiver. So what you see there is what you're going to be able to do with this kit. This is everything you're going to get inside the box. You'll get your Comica user manual here, and this is going to basically help you set up your audio equipment. Now basically you can put this in any sort of configuration you like, i.e. you can have it mounted to your power bank, you can have it mounted to your DSLR camera, your smartphone, your PC, whatever it is you want to record it into. You can go straight into a Zoom microphone and record that way. This is the way I'm recording it right now. So the audio you're hearing right now is from the Comica WM100. So you've got your receiver and your transmitter here. You've also got all your microphones. You get two microphones in the kit, and these are the two microphones. That means you can record up to two microphones at any one time, which means it's great for podcasts, or if you're doing interviews or something like that, or maybe you're doing some sort of build and you've got a couple of people around, you can record that. You've got the capsule at the end here. The capsule's not the smallest in the world, but it does do what it needs to do. You've got that crocodile clip on the end and some sort of windscreen on there as well, or pop filter. You've also got the gold plated jack on the end, which screws into the unit itself. Rubber based cable there as well. You've got two of those microphones in the kit. Now we've also got our USB charging cable here. If you want to charge up, you can run this off of a power bank or just normal batteries if you wish. You've got a 3.5mm jack to a 3.5mm jack there as well, and you've got your windscreen for your recording outdoors to cut down the wind noise. Got a couple of those there as well. You've got your cold shoe here mount. This is to mount it to your camera or whatever you want to mount it to. Basically, you've got one of those in the kit as well. And you've got your SLR2 3.5mm audio jack on the end there, which you can use for your Focusrite or any type of mixer or something like that, where you can go straight into your device there and start recording. You've got three little brackets here in case you want to mount it in some way, shape or form, which mounts on the ends here, as you can see. Now the units are made of plastic generally, and you've got the mounting point there as well if you want to put it onto some sort of tripod or something like that. You've got the battery bay here, which will take batteries. You can put rechargeable batteries in here if you want, or you can run it straight off the power bank as well. On this side you've got your charging cable as well there, and you can see you've got your LCD display on there as well. You've got your inputs on the top as well, and there your navigation buttons and your set button. You can set up your gain here and your frequencies, all that stuff. You've got your output and your earphone input there as well, so you can hear what you're recording at the time. On this one here we do have a mute button there and also a power button. You've got your line in and your microphone, and you can also see we do have those navigation buttons and the volume buttons there and the set button as well, and your charging port. Same as the other device really. You've got your tripod mount there and your actual battery bay there as well. So just about the same with all of these devices, except one's a transmitter and one's the receiver. So now let's go get the power on. You can see once you've got the power on, you've got your display on here. You've got your group A and B. You've got your channels for your audio, A and B as well. You've got your Wi-Fi signal, which is obviously really powerful because we're right close to the device. And you can see here we've got the meter reader going up when you're speaking, so you can get the right audio levels for your microphone. Now again, the audio you're hearing right now is the actual microphone itself. I'll try not to do any sort of post-production on the audio. If possible, I might just boost up the volume for you so you can hear what the audio sounds like. But basically this is your lavalier microphone, which will go to the shirt there, where you can talk probably around about 6 inches away from the mouth. Now you've got your battery power on there, you've got your microphone icon there as well, and it tells you how many hertz or megahertz that is using there as well. So this is basically the transmitter and the receiver, which you can see, and this is the audio you can hear from this type of device. Now I would say that these are made of just general plastic. They're not the best type of plastic in the world, but at this sort of price point, wireless microphones are very, very expensive, and these ones are not too bad, as you can see here. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of the audio quality on these, because I'm looking to upgrade my audio on my production videos, and hopefully this will be the one that I'll be using for future PC builds and stuff like that. Now the good thing about this as well is it does come with its own carry bag here. It's got a little side pouch here which you can put all your cables, your microphones and all your good stuff in there, which is like your smart card readers and stuff like that. There's plenty of room for all that sort of stuff. You've got your receiver and transmitters in here, and it's all nicely padded as well, so you can expect these to be safe. So it makes it nice and portable as well. So a good touch from Comica there to include that in the kit as well. Anyway, my name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think of these microphones in the comments section, and I shall see you again for another video real soon. Bye for now. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.